Why are we ostracizing people when it's gonna stop?
A gunman was looking for his girlfriend and lined up students and shot them one by one.
Listen. As a teen he started taking pills. He says he likes the way they feel. He doesn't get along with his parents. They're in two different worlds. Often he cuts himself with a piece of a broken mirror. In his mind he's alone. People tease him cause he's different. Now his mind's wandering, thoughts becoming more twisted. He got a couple guns and filled them with live ammunition. Revenge in his heart and death his only intentions. Flashbacks, he used to cry but no one will listen. He ran away but no one reported him missing. A black sheep to his fam, not even existing. Photo albums in black, he wore in every picture. Suicidal thoughts, he cries while staring in the mirror. He took more pills to try to ease the damage. Oxycontin, Percocet, he even tried Xanax. He tried reaching out but it's like he's speaking Spanish. All he wanted was love and just to be accepted. And now he's ridiculed, spit on and hit with food. Bullied every day until this one day he blew a fuse. Now we all lose as we watch the news,
Here we're starting to see more disturbing images outside the Success Tech Academy there in Cleveland, where a student allegedly opened fire right in the middle of school there, striking at least two people.
Bullied cause he's overweight, depression makes him overeat. Insecure he cries every night before he goes to sleep. Everywhere he goes screaming, why do they notice me? Lonely, broken hearted, the pain, wish it would go away. Writing out a list of people he wished to blow away. In his mind he's feeling there is no other way. No one to help him pray, no one to lead him straight. How many warning signs are we missing and turn away? How many children are burdened hearts filling with rage? Imagine showing them love, look how many will save. From the psych ward, the prison, or even the grave. Walk with them either way, we're feeling their pain. While the world try to figure who's really to blame. The shooter, the parents, all the kids who called them name. Was it the music or did America turn away? We all need to think, we all need to pray. 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 We all need to pray.
In Finland's first ever school shooting, an 18-year-old gunman has killed 7 fellow pupils and their head teacher.
A gunman entered an Amish schoolhouse in Nickel Mines, Pennsylvania, shooting 10 girls execution style before turning the gun on himself.
It's still, in a lot of ways, really unreal, and sometimes if I think about it, it's just profoundly sad. It's just the saddest thing.
Grainy as that footage is, I think it does bring home the absolute terror.